Got down on my knees and begged her to stay. Where she is going, she wouldn't say. My baby's always running away. I swear I would do anything. I swear I would do anything. My baby's never coming back home. Thought she said she'd never leave me alone. Sit for hours at home and stare at the phone. My baby's never come